Take off.
Hi guys, Transport RC here, and I'm guessing you're watching this video to find out who won the drone giveaway. And before I announce who won the drone giveaway, there's just a few things I need to touch on. So I'll be picking out a winner and also a runner-up, just in case the winner doesn't contact me. And to contact me, here is the email here down below. It'll also be in the description. I'm doing this just because YouTube commenting to subscribers is very annoying. So you guys the winner just needs to contact me, and if the winner doesn't contact me, the runner-up will get the prize. Okay, so now I'm gonna run the clip of me picking out the winner and the runner-up. So good luck. It's Thursday, the 7th of November, 8:20, and I'll be doing the drone draw now. So I'm going to paste the YouTube video clip in the random comment generator, random comment selector, sorry. So we have 37 comments, so thank you guys for commenting. And you're going to press pick the winner, and let's see who wins. And the winner is Jaylin. So the comment is, I think I should win because I felt sad when the bees attacked your drone. Oh, well, thank you so much. My drone is fine. Congratulations, Jaylin. You are the winner. Gonna pick another one for the runner-up. Let's see who will be the runner-up. And we have the Young Redneck. I think I should win because I don't have any money to buy one, and my last one was destroyed by my siblings because they're jerks. I would love to win, but good luck to everyone. Well, yep, Jaylin, you are, the Young Redneck, you are the runner-up. So congratulations to Jaylin for winning the prize and the Young Redneck for being runner-up. So Jaylin, you will have 3 days until Monday the 11th of November to contact me to win the prize. If you don't, then the Young Redneck, you can contact me and you will win the prize. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be doing some more giveaways in the future, and take care guys.